we usually talk about coloring books that you can sell on different platforms, for example, Amazon KDP. And I have a variety of videos on this channel that show you how to do that. But what if I told you that you can build your own web app whereby users come and generate the coloring books from that web page? Yes, you can do it with the help of AI. It's very easy. You don't need any coding skills, any tech skills, nothing. And I'm going to show you step by step how you can do it. So see you soon on the other side.
Welcome to rock a world where vision comes alive. With design and coordination, we help you thrive. Beautiful events, crafted with care. Join us on the journey, we'll take you there. Subscribe today, don't miss a beat. Rock a world events, watch your dreams grow.
By the way, guys, we offer event planning and design services. So you can check out our website, www.rockaworld.com, for more information. Like I mentioned in the intro of this video, we are going to be building a web app for a user-friendly coloring book. And to do that, the number one key is to have a prompt that is going to bring the visions really well to life. And in this particular case, I've generated this prompt for you guys and I've linked it for you in the description down below for those of you who'd like to try it out. Okay. So you're going to get this prompt and feel free to edit it to your own liking. All you have to do is to copy it, and I'm going to show you which tool we are going to be using to bring our coloring book generator to life. And in this case, we are going to be using Canva, like you can see over here. So Canva has this powerful new AI tool over here. It's known as Canva AI. Once you come on the Canva dashboard, you'll be able to access that. All you have to do here is to click on this option just like that. Give that time as it brings you the various options available. Like you can see, we have a variety of buttons down here, but the specific one I want you to click on is this one that says code for me. So we are going to click on that. Still, it's going to open up a new space over here, like you can see. And then this is where we are going to paste our prompt. Go ahead and paste it over here. Then all you have to do is to click on the submit button, and then you sit and wait while Canva runs the code of this whole thing, like you can see on the right side over here. So give that time until it's ready. Okay. Once it's done running the codes for us, this will be the end result. And like you can see, we have the home page, which we are at currently. Then we have the creations that you'll be working on. There is that option as well. Then we have this option of help. Okay, so it says down here, turn your ideas into coloring pages. Simply describe what you want to see and we'll create a beautiful coloring page for you in seconds. Okay, so we are going to try that out to see what it turns out like. So I already have some prompts that I generated with chat GPT, and we are going to be using this to see if this tool is going to give us our ideas. So all you have to do is to come and paste the prompt over there. Then you click on this option of generate. Right now you see it's in the process, and voila, we have the baby dragon blowing bubbles. Okay, this didn't come out really perfectly well, but I believe with multiple trials and training, you can get better results. So let's try something different to see what results we are getting right now. And let's go on to a cute unicorn eating ice cream. Maybe it's not going into the advanced ideas. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to make it brief, and I see how that is going to turn out like. So let's just try a cute unicorn, and we see if we can get the exact results of a unicorn. Okay, this is not really turning out well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back to this tool over here. Then I'm going to copy these examples, okay, over here. So I'm just going to copy everything. Then I'm going to command this AI tool, and I'm going to tell it that here are some examples that you can use. Okay, it says here are some examples of what this app should be able to design. So I'm going to go ahead and paste all the examples that we have to see if we can get better results. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this option of submit reply. Then we are going to sit and wait to see if our results are going to be better. So guys, like you can see on our page, it did include the ideas. It says popular ideas by category, and it goes ahead to list them down. But when I tried to generate, still it did not come out really well. So I came back and I gave this tool a new prompt. Then I just asked, why can't I get the exact images of the prompts I provide? I want the tool to be able to think and design the exact image as requested by the user. So it says you're absolutely right. The current version just shows a generic placeholder design instead of creating actual coloring pages based off your prompts. Let me explain why this happens and what we can do about it. Like you can see, it's doing this with you. Okay, so it says why it doesn't work currently. This is a front end only demo that stimulates the interface. Real AI image generation requires powerful services and AI models like DALL-E, Midjourney, or Stable Diffusion. Those services need API keys and backend infrastructure that can run in a simple HTML page. So I don't want you to get intimidated by this. You saw how I gave this tool that prompt, and then it went ahead to give us actually what we can do. So you just have to be conversational. Once you get on that step, maybe you can say, how can I connect the Dell? All you have to do is to come down here and you be specific of what tool or what service you want to connect to in order for this tool to start generating specific images for your users. Okay, that's something that I'm not going to go into detail for today's video because this is just a demo video. But if you guys would like to see the next video including all those details on this channel, please let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll do that for you in detail. Okay, now let me show you how you can go ahead to run this web app once you are done generating all the details, or once you're done building it to its full potential. All you have to do is to click on this option that says use in design, and we are going to choose this option of website. Okay, so give that time, it's going to open up Canva editor, and all you have to do here is to click on this option of publish website. So this is going to give you three options whereby you can use a site address URL that includes the Canva .site option. So that's the free one. If you click on this option over here, you'll see that you'll be able to input the username that you want to use. So if it's available, you'll be able to use that, but it will have to end with the Canva .site, sorry. Then the other two options, you have to click on this option of get a new domain. That's if you want to purchase your own domain, or if you already have an existing one and you want to embed it into this site using Canva, you can do that as well. But like you can see, for this, you're going to need the Canva Pro feature. But don't worry, Canva has a 30-day free trial that you can try out before investing into the tool, and make sure that's something that you want to use. Then if you're purchasing a new domain, like you can see, it's 18.99 US dollars. So there is that option as well. And all you have to do is to click on continue and follow the steps as suggested. Okay. So let me use this free one over here to just show you a perfect example of what this will actually look like. So all you have to do is to click on this option that says publish, and that way the website is going to be published. Okay, guys, like I said, this is just a demo video, but if you'd like to see a detailed one that goes in depth about the API keys and the different AI models that you can use for your project, you can let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll work on it ASAP. Otherwise, you're going to use the few tips I've shared in this video, and then you'll be able to do it by yourself. So with all of that being said, this brings us to the end of this video. And if you found value in this video, I kindly request you to like this video, subscribe, comment, share this video, because it helps the channel grow and also motivates us to keep on creating free content for you guys just like this. Okay, thank you very much, guys, and see you in my next one. Bye.